Good morning everyone, this is Vaishnavi from Technical Days. We will update you on the Nifty as well as USD technical view. In previous week, index opened on a flat note and remained in a small trading range within 8270 to 8130 levels throughout the week. Index closed around 8221 with gain of 64 points on week basis. On the weekly chart, index has formed a small bullish candle and it carries shadows on either side, indicating indecisiveness among the market participants regarding the immediate direction. Index continued to form higher top higher bottom formation on the daily as well on a weekly chart, indicating sustained uptrend. At current levels, the chart pattern indicates that if Nifty managed to sustain above 8270 levels, then it may witness further buying momentum towards 8350 and 8460 levels. From current levels, immediate short-term support zone is around 8130 levels. However, any violation of this support zone will cause some profit booking around 8050 to 7980 levels. Currently, Nifty is trending above its 20 as well as 50-day simple moving average, which are the important short-term moving averages which supports bullish sentiment ahead. As Nifty continue to remain in uptrend in short term as well as in medium term, hence any short-term correction will remain as a buying opportunity for traders. For the week, we expect Nifty to trade within range of 8150 to 8460 levels with positive bias. On the indicator front, the weekly strength indicator RSI as well as momentum indicator stochastic both are in positive territory and they are quoting above their reference line, indicating strength ahead. Some positive bias stock for the day are Bajaj Auto, Dabur, HPCL, HUL, Aibul Housing Finance, Kotak Bank and M&M. Whereas some negative bias stock for the day are Glenmark, Idea, Lupin and Sun Pharma. Moving to the USD technical view, in previous trading session, USD opened on a negative note and it has remained lackluster within narrow trading range from 67.64 to 67.42 levels. This indicates absence of strength on either side. On the daily chart, USD has formed a small bullish candle carrying shadows on either side, representing indecisiveness. It was the sixth consecutive session that USD has extended its sideways trend within 67.20 to 67.80 levels, representing short-term sideways trend. For the day, if USD trade and sustains below 67.40 levels, then it may witness further weakness towards 67.10 and 67 levels. On the upside, an immediate intraday resistance zone is around 67.65 levels. On the indicator front, the daily strength indicator RSI has turned negative and it is quoting below its reference line, indicating weakness ahead. Thank you.